Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss how you can settle your customers' invoices and received payments if they have been created in Splendid Accounts. We will discuss how you can settle them in Splendid Accounts. Click on Sales. The very last option we get here under Sales is Settlement. We will click on this. Click on Add Settlement. We will select the customer whose settlement we want to do. All of their invoices will be shown here, and the payment received from the customer or the customer's balance reduced through a journal entry, all of that received amount will be shown here. Simply, you can select the invoice you want to settle with whichever journal entry or received payment. Let me select another customer where some received payments are showing like these. There is also sales return. You can settle that too with the invoice. We have the aged accounts receivable report, which shows the customer's balance based on the credit invoice. It comes from the sales section, from the sales invoice form, and then for that same customer a different amount is shown there, and when you check the customer balance a different amount is shown there. So to keep it equal, to maintain a settlement, we do customer settlement here. What happens is that, for example, we check that we created an invoice of 1000 for a customer and received 1000 from them. In the customer balance report, we see that the customer's balance is 0, but in the aged accounts receivable report, the customer's balance is shown as 1000, which has already been received. It shows up because that invoice was not settled with the customer's received payment. So we come here and do a manual settlement, or it could be that I have received the payment from the customer, but I am not going to tell the system yet against which invoice I have made the payment. So we do that manually later. In that case too, you can come to settlement, select the customer, check the invoice you want to settle with the received payment and approve it. Then the customer's settlement will be created. Thank you.